Hi guys, welcome back to In the Series. Get your first 11 marks in the examination. This is part 3 so far. If you have not watched part 2 and 1, trust me, and I have to tell you what to do. You know what to do. Let's go. So this one says 1 and 4/5 minus 1/3 divided by 2/5. So when you get these, you have to work the top first. So let's do that. So I'm going to convert the 1 and 4/5. So 1 times 5, that's 5, plus 4, that's 9. So we have 9 over 5 minus 1/3. Now the rule states once you're adding and subtracting, you must find the LCM if it has a different denominator. Now the LCM of 5 and 3 would be 15. Next, we see how many groups of 5 we can get out of 15, which is 3. So we multiply that by the numerator. And of course, 9 3s 27. Put back the minus. 3 into 15, that's 5 times. So we multiply 1 times 5, which is 5. So for the top, we're going to just subtract 27, take away 5, which leaves 22 over 15. And remember, we were asked to divide it by 2 and 2/5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert 2 5 10 plus 2 12 over 5. So this becomes 12 over 5. And of course, we know what the rule says. Once we are dividing, we have to keep the first fraction. So let's keep the 22 over 15. Change the division to multiplication, but we have to reciprocate. So 5, this becomes 5 over 12, which was originally 12 over 5. And of course, we can cancel 5 into itself one time. 5 into 15, 3. 2 can go into 12 6 times, and this 11 times. So up the top, we're going to get 11. And down here, we have 3 times 6, which is 18. And of course, that will give you 2 marks. All right. Let's look at number 1, 2. So this one says, find the square root of 1.5625 plus the square root of 0 plus the square of 0.32. So what we have to do now, just use your calculator to do this so you get the easy 2 mark. Remember guys, the marathon is the 29th. Let's go. Inbox me 876549261. Those who want to be a part of my awesome marathon. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna use my calculator. So it's 1.5625. So that's 1.25. So this part works out to 1.25. Let's square this now. That means 0.32 times 0.32. But let the calculator do the work for you guys, alright? Which gives me 0.1024. So it's 0.1024. And of course, it's plus. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to add it. My calculator tells me the answer is 1.35. So they did not say round it off to anything, so we just put out the exact figure, 1.3524. And that would be our answer. So that's another 2 marks. So far guys, out of the 11, you would have gotten 2 marks for. Remember, you're encouraged to try the questions before. Alright? So it says now, Smiley Orange is sold in cartons of 2 different sizes at the price shown in the table below. So carton size is 350 milliliter and the cost is $4.20, while 450 liter is sold for $5.13. which size carton of orange juice is the better buy? And for 3 marks, you should justify your answer. So all we have to do, just work out what it actually costs for one. So let me do that. So it's for 350. And of course, use a calculator, you divide by 4.20. And for the one with the 450, divide by, so you're basically finding the unit cost per milliliter by dividing. So let's divide this. And again, guys, don't play no euro and please get zero. Use your calculator. That's what your parents bought it for. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you like button, if you have not done so, if you're just joining and you're not a subscriber, you're missing out a lot. Oh my word, you're missing out a lot. Alright, let's go. So it's 350 divided by 4.2. So basically, what that just work out is $1 would give you this. $1 would give you 83.333. Is a recurring decimal, right? Let's see what $1 gives you for this. So it's 450 divided by 5.13. 5.13. 450 divided by 5.13, and that's 87. So what this means now, 87.7. This would be the better buy because $1 will give you more milliliter. So the better buy would be the 450. Because the art is 450. And of course, you could put a little note to justify it. Show them that. Me not gonna do that. Alright. C says pay borrowed 9,600 at 8% per annum compound interest. Calculate the interest on the loan for the first year. At the end of the first year, wait. Calculate the interest on the loan for the first year. At the end of the first year, she repaid 4,368. Oh, this full stop the year, so. So it's a favored 9,600 at 8% per annum compound interest. Calculate the interest on the loan for the first year. Alright, so guys, what happened? It's per annum. So this is per year. So this is 1 year. Alright, so compound interest would be, the amount would be the principal 1 plus r over n times n. Alright, I'm putting things in perspective. The principal would be 96. Don't have a lot of space, so that's 96 plus the 1 times the 1 plus, now the rate is 8%, so that's 8 over 100, which work out. I'm just going to convert this to a decimal, so that's 0.08 plus 0.08. Now it says it didn't tell us it compound annually, so that's going to be over 1, which does make a difference. And then 1 times 1 because it's 1 year. Alright, so it does be 96. That to be 1.08. So all we have to do, punch that in our calculator now, and that will give us the answer because the 1 times 1 does not make a difference. So this will be 10,368. So that means the interest would be the difference of this. This is the amount, right? So the interest when the person will pay would be 10,368 minus 368 minus the 96. I'm just gonna use it to punch it in my calculator. I don't want no stress. Alright, so let me do that. 10,368. 10,368 minus 96. So the interest will be 768. Alright, and that will give you 1 month. That's a lot of work for 1 month, do you know? No, that's crazy. Alright, how much did she still owe at the beginning of the second year? Alright, so she said at the end of the first year, she repaid 4,368. So out of everything, so she's supposed to pay back 10,368, and she paid 4,368. Them line it up, you know. So she still was 6 grand, 7 grand, no 6,000. Alright, CXC line up that pool, you know, guys. Them line it up pool. So she still owes $6,000. Alright, them say calculate the interest on the remaining balance for the second year. The interest on the remaining balance on the second year. Alright, so she owes 6,000. And the interest is what? 8% per year. Eight 8648. So the interest on the remaining balance would be 48. $6,000, and they're supposed to get 8%. They did set that up with 8%. Alright guys, so see you guys at the marathon. This is the number to call. 876-549-2161. Then I spell it out without. I'll see you guys in another video. Check down the number fast, guys. Ensure that you subscribe. Ensure you like the video also.